deep within the soil, under a blanket of fallen leaves, and along the margins of our paved paths. Here, tiny creatures thrive, often unseen by the naked eye. They build some of the most astonishing empires on Earth. It is the ant, soldier, worker, queen, and architect, all in one. In this film, we delve into the fascinating life of this wondrous creature, uncovering the secrets of its complex world. The dawn of life, from egg to worker ant. It all begins with an egg. The queen lays hundreds, sometimes thousands, of eggs deep within the nest. Once a tiny, white translucent larva emerges. Worker ants diligently feed and nurture it. The larva undergoes several transformations, from larva to pupa, and finally into a fully grown ant. Each ant is genetically programmed for a specific role: worker, soldier, nurse, or even a queen. Inside the colony, a subterranean metropolis. An ant colony is a meticulously organized world beneath the surface. It's a complex network of tunnels, storage chambers, brood chambers for the young, and even ventilation. This is no chaotic burrow, but a true subterranean city. At its heart resides the queen, typically the largest ant in the colony. She never ventures beyond the nest's boundaries, her life devoted solely to reproduction. Surrounding her, thousands of worker ants toil with quiet dedication. Some are tasked with cleaning the nest, others meticulously feed the larvae, and still others venture out on vital foraging expeditions. Soldier ants, the colony's first line of defense. Not all ants are created equal. Some are distinguished by their oversized heads and powerful mandibles. These are the soldiers. Their duty is to defend the colony against intruders, such as wasps, spiders, or even ants from rival colonies. When danger looms, these soldiers release chemical alerts, pheromones, and worker ants immediately rally to the colony's defense. In the ant world, self-sacrifice for the sake of the colony is a natural instinct. The scouting mission, foraging for food. Worker ants march out in disciplined columns, following invisible pheromone trails in their relentless search for food scraps or fallen insects. Once a food source is discovered, the successful forager lays down a chemical trail, guiding other workers directly to the bounty. Some ant species team up to transport food pieces exceeding 50 times their individual size. Others ingeniously form living bridges with their own bodies to navigate obstacles. Collective intelligence, thinking without a brain. An individual ant doesn't think in the same way humans, yet thousands of ants working in concert behave as if guided by a single, vast mind. This phenomenon is known as collective intelligence. Colony decisions don't stem from a leader, but emerge from simple interactions between individual members. It's a system that remarkably parallels modern software algorithms and even artificial intelligence. Wars between colonies. At times, fierce wars erupt between rival colonies. Armies of soldiers launch assaults on an opposing colony. Thousands perish, larvae are plundered, and nests are decimated. Occasionally, one colony will conquer another, enslaving its... Yes, ants engage in a form of slavery, forcing captured workers to serve an alien queen. Alliances in nature, ants and other species. Ants do not live in isolation. Some species, for example, meticulously farm fungi within their nests, cultivating it as a food source. Others herd aphids, much like tiny livestock, to harvest their sweet, sugary secretions, known as honeydew. In return for this precious aphid milk, the ants offer staunch protection to these delicate insects. These are complex symbiotic relationships, strikingly reminiscent of human farmers and pastoralists. Deadly ants, nature's marauding armies. Some ant species are notoriously fierce predators. The bullet ant, Renowned for its excruciatingly painful sting, often ranked as one of the most potent in the entire insect kingdom. Army ants. These nomadic predators advance in colossal swarms, sometimes millions strong, consuming nearly everything that lies in their path, from insects and reptiles to even small birds. These species don't build permanent nests. Instead, they operate as a constantly moving, predatory legion. The ant, despite its minuscule size, holds within it a world of incredible wonders. It's a testament to order, cooperation, sacrifice, and abilities that can, at times, seem to rival even our own. So, the next time you see an ant scurrying past, take a moment to remember, you're not just observing a mere insect, but a tiny soldier in a vast, intricate army, one that inhabits a hidden world beyond our immediate sight, yet toils ceaselessly, day in and day out.